George Glass, CTO of the TM Forum, and I want to look forward into 2022 and just see what's on top of my mind in terms of where I think our industry is going. What we're actually seeing is the growing adoption of cloud-based virtualized infrastructure and capabilities delivering compute and storage on demand. And with the emergence of SDN and NFV, we are starting to truly see network functionality being delivered at a set of cloud-native IT components. We've actually seen innovative network vendors delivering software-based network components directly into the cloud. And I think now's the time for operators to think differently. You no longer need to think of a telco as a network company. Now's the time to realise that to succeed in today's crowded and competitive marketplace, you need to become a technology company. Everything is software. That means deploying your IT and network services as reusable capabilities that can be exposed as industry standard open APIs, both internally and externally. This will enable your digital transformation, but it also enables you not only to transform your existing systems and processes and your business operations, but it will also enable you to create new business opportunities in adjacent industries that are already going digital and need access to your network and IT services. Now is the year to adopt cloud-based IT and network at scale across your organization.
Hi, I'm Ian Turkington. I'm the VP for Architecture and APIs at TM Forum, and these are my top 3 predictions for 2022. First, I expect to see the usage of open APIs to continue to increase. This is the foundation of a plug-and-play architecture, and it will deliver agility as we move closer to a true plug-and-play environment. My second prediction builds on the open APIs, and this is the development of component specifications. If you imagine the open API as the front door of a house, they specify the data in and the data out, but they do not specify what happens behind the front door. Component specifications are now standardizing the operations, the management, and the security of the component. This will mean many components from many vendors will have a consistent operational environment, which will in turn provide massive operational savings. My final prediction moves us beyond traditional IT domains of BSS and OSS and into the network. The network is increasingly becoming software, and the standardization which has been successfully applied to the IT domain will be able to be applied to the network domains. And I expect in 2022 we will see open APIs and components increasingly being applied to the network, adding agility and reducing operational costs. So that's my 3 predictions for next year. Let's wait and see how accurate they turn out to be. And no matter what happens, can I wish you a happy and a healthy 2022. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Bozenpatel, and I'm the Vice President of AI, Customer Experience and Data at TM Forum. And these are my top 3 predictions for 2022. The first prediction is we're going to see automation really increase by about 200%. We're going to go from seeing automating within a single process or single domain or business unit, really now going all the way through to CSPs automating multiple processes across multiple domains or business units. We're also going to see an increase in legislation across AI, which is going to make CSPs really begin to focus on how do they get explainability. So explainability is going to be absolutely key for CSPs to be able to automate and deploy artificial intelligence. And my third big prediction is around data governance. Data governance is really going to come into the forefront of CSPs' minds. That's particularly as we move to challenging hybrid cloud environments, and how do you manage data governance within that complexity.
Hello everyone, my name is Joanne OBrien. I am the Vice President of Digital Ecosystems at TM Forum, and it is my pleasure to share with you my thoughts about the future 2022 and what we're likely to see in our industry. There's pivotal times in history, and sometimes I wonder, what were people thinking at the time? Were they able to see the changes that were happening? I believe we're at such a pivotal point in history. The big separator. Those who are brave and invest in the future of digital will reap the benefits, and those who don't, unfortunately, may be left behind. The year ahead, my predictions for the year ahead are that we will see much more communication service providers place their bets on digital, for going beyond connectivity for growth of their business into new digital opportunities. And this will lay the foundation for the sustainability of their business long into the future. In order to support that, the second prediction will be a supporting or enabling prediction, in that we will see investment that has been going on for a number of years in the area of partnering really drive towards the concept of zero-touch partnering. How to enable it in a way that it is strategically differentiating, the ability to ramp up and spin out new partnering opportunities very, very quickly in trusted ecosystem relationships. And my third prediction for the future is another one related to this, and it's around the concept of software marketplaces, where I believe communication service providers and our industry will really ramp up the capitalization of the potential of marketplaces for the growth of their businesses into the future. And that's it. Let's see how we work out with our predictions next year.
Hello, I'm Vicky Slight, the VP for Human Factor here at TM Forum. Here are my predictions for 2022 from a human factor perspective. It's time for leaders to get real about hybrid. The next generation of telcos will be defined by leaders who act now, as in from 2022, risking short-term advantages to seize untapped growth with a holistic approach to transformation. The CIOs and the CEOs will start harnessing diversity and an inclusion mindset if they want to be amongst the top 33% of global CIOs and CEOs who have evolved their digital endeavors to scale. They'll start looking for cognitive diversity, which is mixing people together with different thinking styles, habits, and perspectives. And also, we need to hold on to that purpose that we have found during this pandemic. It's hard to ignore it, we can't ignore it. And to really understand that our role is delivering a more sustainable world from every single dimension.